Stop scrolling for a second because that viral video of a crumbling nail magically turning clear is probably lying to you. We have all seen those aggressive ads for the Fuente Stem Cell Nail Gel. They pop up everywhere from your social media feed to the sidebars of news sites. They promise a total transformation in just 21 days. That sounds like a dream for anyone who has dealt with the embarrassment of yellow or brittle nails. But the reality is far more complicated and a lot less miraculous. Nail fungus is notoriously difficult to treat because the infection lives deep under the hard keratin of the nail. It is protected by a shield that most creams and gels simply cannot penetrate. This company claims their stem cell technology is the secret key. They pair it with colloidal silver and tea tree oil to create an image of high-tech healing. But if you look at the independent feedback, the story changes quickly. Customers are reporting that the product they receive looks like a cheap knockoff of the one in the video. The containers are different. The consistency is off. Some people even say the return page on the website conveniently stops working the moment they try to initiate a refund. This is a massive warning sign. You might also notice that the exact same marketing language appears on many different websites under different brand names. It is a common tactic in the world of dropshipping and viral marketing. They create a flashy landing page, buy a mountain of ads, and then disappear once the negative reviews pile up. You are not just buying a gel. You are buying a carefully crafted illusion designed to exploit your frustration. Think about the biology of a human nail for a moment. A toenail takes about 12 to 18 months to grow out completely from base to tip. No gel on earth can make a damaged nail healthy again in 3 weeks because the dead part of the nail cannot be revived. You have to wait for new, healthy growth to replace the old stuff. Any product claiming otherwise is defying basic human anatomy. It is also worth noting that the term stem cells is used very loosely here. Real stem cell therapy is a complex medical field involving live cells and specialized storage. Putting that on a shelf-stable gel sold for a few bucks online is highly suspicious. These ads rely on high-pressure tactics. They use countdown timers and limited-time offers to make you feel like you are missing out. They want you to act on impulse rather than research. Before you hand over your credit card info, take a look at the fine print. You will often find that there is no medical backing for these bold claims. If you are dealing with a persistent infection, a visit to a specialist is much safer than trusting a viral video. They can offer treatments that actually reach the root of the problem. Don't let a slick editor and some stock footage trick you into wasting your money on a miracle that doesn't exist. Be skeptical of anything that promises to fix a year-long problem in less than a month. Your health is too important to leave to a random social media algorithm. Let's talk about those ingredients for a moment. Colloidal silver is often touted as a cure-all in alternative medicine circles. However, medical professionals are very cautious about its use. Then, there is tea tree oil. It is a natural antifungal, yes, but the concentration matters. A little bit of oil mixed into a cheap gel base is unlikely to do much against a deep-seated infection. These companies know that if they list enough trendy ingredients, people will stop asking questions. They want you to believe that they have found a shortcut that doctors have somehow missed. It is a classic move. They create a problem, then offer a cheap, easy solution that seems scientifically advanced. But science takes time. It takes peer-reviewed studies. It takes transparency. When a company hides behind a broken return link, they are telling you everything you need to know about the quality of their product. You're better off saving your money and talking to a professional who can give you a real plan. Don't let a 30-second ad decide how you take care of your body. Stay sharp and look for the red flags before you click that checkout button. Trust the process, not the pitch.